In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer XRP from eToro. So whether you want to transfer it to your eToro wallet or you want to transfer it to an external wallet, what you need to do is you need to download eToro Money on your phone. Now this is an app that you can download from the App Store, and this is basically eToro for cryptocurrency. And within that app, you will be able to send the XRP to an external wallet if you want to. Now first what we need to do is we need to make sure we complete our profile as well as we add a phone number, and we download the app and we log into the eToro account on the app. Then once you've done that, you want to go to portfolio and select the crypto, press on the position, and there will be a transfer button here. Now since my profile is not completed, I cannot show you, but this is how it's going to look like. Portfolio, select the crypto, click on the position, and there will be a transfer to wallet right here. And once you've done that, it's going to be transferred to the eToro Money app, and inside of there you can select send, and you will be able to send it to another wallet if you have the address. So that is basically how that works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.